like a ninja James Bond just hit me with a 1-inch punch. Now then people, and welcome to the BOSH Boys vlog. Today's episode is beginning in the BOSH Boys kitchen where I am right now. But we're gonna take you to Hollywood, where we went to the Ever Bar, the Laeverly Hotel.
Yeah, we went to America a few months ago and we were lucky enough to have some of the best cocktails we have ever had. They were made by Dan Rook in the Laeverly Hotel, and here is what we did. The guys at the Laeverly Kimpton in Hollywood have been kind enough to sort us out with a bit of a cocktail masterclass with the head barman.
So hello, hello. How are we doing, guys?
Cocktails.
Make some cocktails. All right, so this is a drink called Drink Your Vegetables. This is our house play on a margarita with reposado tequila, fresh, always fresh lime juice, a little bit of Cointreau, an agave syrup that we make here in house as well. And then the star of the show, a little funky, a charred Chinese broccoli and black garlic shrub. And we rim the glass with a Korean chili flake and salt mix. Looks a little funky from that shrub, but I promise it's delicious. Cheers.
You're a gentleman.
Perfect.
Nice one. Wow. It's like a ninja James Bond just hit me with a 1-inch punch.
I'll take that. I guess I'll take that, yeah, sure.
This drink, wow, that spice keeps hitting.
It's pretty layered. A lot of flavors there, yeah.
It's got more punch than Jackie Chan and more vitamin than a room full of vegans.
Indeed. Right, let's see what this is all about. Whoa, Jesus. It's all about spice. Good spice. Now this is super tasty, man. Can safely say I've never tasted anything quite like this before. It's very, very good indeed.
All right, so this cocktail is called Bananas in Pyjamas. The base spirit for this cocktail is going to be a spiced rum. We also have cognac, fresh, always fresh lemon juice, an orgeat syrup, which is a almond-based syrup. We make this here in house. Toasted almonds as the base. And then the star of the show is a honeydew banana shrub. Honeydew, not honey. That we make here in house as well. We serve this drink on crushed ice. Again, sort of tiki style, if you will. An umbrella. And some mint for you guys. Bananas in Pyjamas. Cheers.
Cheers, sir.
Oh, goodness me, it's like, wow, sweet shop. Beautiful.
Isn't that good?
Yeah.
So much going on right there.
Not too strong, but still pretty punchy.
I reckon it's pretty strong. It's just masked
by the sweetness.
Sweet, sour and bitter flavours in a really good way. Very happy with this cocktail. Woo. Those cocktails were amazing!
Dan Rook, you are a legend.
He did well, didn't he?
It's so good.
My favourite was the Drink Your Vegetables, which was like crazy spicy, had such complexity of flavours, and also that chili salt. The chili salt just added that extra bit of kick. So, so good.
Definitely a really fantastic combination. I actually quite like the bananas in pyjamas.
That was cool too.
Like a candy shop, baby.
It was sweet, it had complex flavours, You know what, it's probably not something you're gonna make yourself at home, because it's so complex. But if you're ever in Hollywood, go check out the Ever Bar. That place was cool.
I reckon we should go back one day.
Let's go back. There's plenty more America stuff coming your way, so subscribe to our channel.
And keep up with all things BOSH.
Obviously, drop us a comment, let us know what you thought. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, baby.
Peace.